Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited because I've been working on this for so long and I've been working on my first Etsy store. I'm so excited. This is my business card. And yeah, I'll include a close-up clip for you, but I've been working on it behind the scenes for so long, and go ahead and check it out. Links down below in the description box. So I'm gonna make things along the ways, replenish if I can, and make new product for you, and it's all things spiritual, divine, and magic to help you guys along your spiritual journey. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the products. Definitely go ahead and check it out because I'm not gonna show everything in this video, but I want to give you an idea of the stuff I'm gonna be selling. So like I told you, all things like magical, divine, spiritual. So for like magical stuff, you guys can burn like loose incense, you can make mojo bags, potions, all that kind of good stuff, but you need your herbs and your supplies, right? So I have some fern. This is dried fern, and it's a protective herb, and it's nice because not everyone can get these kind of things where they live. So this one's a pretty awesome herb. I love it for protection, and it's great in potions. And then I got some dried rose petals, some feverfew. I don't know if you guys can really see it. My ring light's really bright. And I have some dried cedar. I don't have everything with me, guys. Like I have cedar smudge sticks, cedar and rose smudge sticks, but here's just one of the smaller pine smudge sticks that you guys can use and burn and cleanse your space of all negative energy, make you feel whole and at peace again. So I do have smudge sticks too, and with the herbs, you guys can use them in so many different things. If you do magic in your spiritual practice, you'll know. You can read the description box of those things listed on my Etsy store. I got more info on there. And we got some crystals too. So this one is a rose quartz crystal, but it looks like a big block of white because my lighting is so washed out. But it's this beautiful pink rose quartz crystal. I got some of these listed on my shop too. Bring you some self-love, some chakra healing in your heart chakra. And then I got some, like, I think I have a couple clear quartz crystals, and then I have some of these ones that are the actual necklace. I don't have them made yet because I want to know what length you guys want. And then you have like a crystal hanging necklace. This one is a Lemurian twin clear quartz. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's 2 points on it. So it's a very like special crystal. It's Lemurian, it's a twin quartz, and it's like clear. It's like what? It's really cool quality, good quality. And then I got like this selenite heart glass that you can wear. Good peaceful energy, self-cleansing, divine white light, and a little bit of bone witch history in there. And it's just so cool. So we got some necklaces, and then we got some bracelets too. Some different kind. I got some amethyst bracelets already made. It's really dark purple. It's like the 888 gray amethyst, which is great. Really strong, good protective energy, spiritual development. And then I got some adventurine, and I have hematite and moonstone and rainbow obsidian as well on my Etsy store for sale. And then I'm working on making these. I think I'm going to make a nice picture of holy water, but not make them until you guys buy it so that the water can be fresh and everything's all nice and new. But it's just some holy water infused with lavender. I can do a solid blend so you guys can add your own essential oil, or I can add some lavender in it because it's just peaceful, relaxing, cleansing, and all around good vibes. So holy blessed water to cleanse yourself. If you can't smudge yourself at work, bless your space wherever you are in the form of the element of water. So it's really nice, and it's just a really cool tool. I love using holy water so much. Makes my day different when I'm at work. On my break, I just give myself a good little smudge. And I just love holy water. It's awesome, guys. So I have some spiritual tools and good magical stuff for you over at my Etsy store. I hope you guys are excited, and I'll include some clips for you to see next of some other things that I got. I forgot to mention this, guys, but all the products that I made are blessed by God and all the Ascended Masters, Goddess Nyx, myself, a High Priestess, so everything's infused with a lot of love and light, and it's blessed, and bunch of good vibes already into it as well. So the product you're getting has a good vibration already coming to you, and once you get it, you can also read another little prayer to help make sure it's fully cleansed. But lots of blessings on that stuff coming your way when you get them. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below, and please check out my store I worked so hard on. And of course, until next time, I'll see you guys then. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and Goddess Nyx's holy light, may you be blessed and rejuvenated. So mote it be.